and welcome to a quick tutorial video on Automation Stitch to automate response to FortiGuard database updates. In this scenario, administrators need to be notified when the FortiGuard database, which offers current threat intelligence, is updated with new threat signatures. We will use Automation Stitches to set a notification through Teams channel or Jira when FortiWeb detects a database update. Administrators can then review the updated signatures and approve them. Here's the first step, so let's get started. Navigate to Security, Fabric, Automation, Action, and create Automation Action. Enter the name, URL, and in this configuration we use text-based message type. Enter the message details and follow the configuration within the video. Step 2 is to create a Jira action. Navigate to Security, Fabric-Automation, enter the name, enter message, and copy the account, token, URL info within the file. Follow the video as it's done to minimize complications. Now let's create a stitch. Navigate again to Security, Fabric, Automation, and create an automation stitch. Select a predefined stitch and enter a name and adjust the stitch as needed and make sure the stitch is enabled. To configure when a stitch is triggered, navigate to Log and Reports, Log Access Event, and you will see a notification message called FDS Update Successful, as well as messages from Teams channel. In this final step, we can configure a follow-up action with Approve the Signatures. Navigate to System Config FortiGuard to view.